Hello students, today I am going to explain you some basic numericals of the chapter Electricity of class 10th Physics. So before solving the numericals, you always remember a few points. First, read the question twice. So whatever the question is given, try to read it twice. To write all the points and values given in the question means you have to make summary of the question. And check the SI units whether the physical quantities are given in their SI units or not, and draw diagram for circuit type question. So now I am going to start with the first question. 100 joule of work is done in moving a charge of 5 coulomb from one terminal of a battery to another. Then what is the potential difference of the battery? 100 joule of work. So it means work is given, that is 100 joule of work is given, and charge is given, that is 5 coulomb, and you have to find out the potential difference. So first we will write down all the values which are given in the question. That is W is equals to 100 joule, charge Q is equals to 5 coulomb, and V is equals, you have to find out. Then according to the formula, V is equals to W upon Q. V represents the potential difference, W is the work done, and Q is the charge. Then after putting all the values in the formula, we will get the answer 20 volt. Now I am moving to the next one. Calculate the current supplied by a cell if the amount of charge passing through the cell in 4 seconds is 12 coulomb. So in this you have to find out the current. Current you have to find out, time is given and charge is given. Then write down all the values first. The Q is equals to 12 coulomb, time is 4 seconds, and I is you have to find out. Then according to the formula, I is equals to Q upon T. Substitute all the values, you will get 12 by 4, and the answer will be 3 ampere. So 3 ampere current is supplied by a cell. Now moving to the next one, that is how much power dissipated when 0.2 ampere of current flows through a 100 ohm resistor. How much power? So in this power you have to find out, and current is given, that is 0.2 ampere, and resistance is given. So first write down all the values. I is equals to 0.2 ampere, R is equals to 100 ohm, and P you have to find out. So according to the formula, P is equals to VI, but there is no value for the V. So V can be calculated by this formula IR. Here a formula is given, that is V is equals to IR. So instead of V, we can write down here IR. So the formula will be IR into I, or it can be written like this, I square into R. Now substitute the value in this. 0.2 into 0.2 multiply by 100, and the answer will be 4 watt. And 4 watt represents the power, and watt is the SI unit of power. Next question, how much energy is converted by a device that draws 1.5 ampere from a 12 volt battery for 2 hours? So in this, how much energy is converted by a device that draws 1.5 ampere? So it means current is given, and 12 volt battery potential difference is given, and time is given. So first write down all the values. So I is equals to 1.5 ampere, V is equals to 12 volt, T is equals to 2 hours, and you have to find out the energy. So electrical energy, how much energy is converted? So W is equals to P into T. So here the value for P is not given. So we can substitute this value here, that P is equals to V I हम रख सकते हैं. Now substitute the value for P in this formula. We will get W is equals to VIT. Now substitute all the values. 12 multiply 1.5 multiply 2, and the answer will be 36 watt hour. Now I am moving to the next one. If an electric lamp lights for 2 hours, drawing 0.4 ampere of current, calculate the amount of charge that had passed through the lamp. So what are the values are given in this? Time is given, that is 2 hours. Electric current is given, that is 0.4 ampere, है ना, and you have to find out the charge. अब देखिए, the time is given in hour, so here you have to convert the hour into seconds. So the answer will be 7200 seconds. and you have to find out the charge, and the formula will be Q is equals to I into T. Now substitute all the values. So 0.4 multiplied by 7200, and the answer will be 2880 coulomb, and coulomb is the SI unit of charge. Next question. A lamp of resistance 20 ohm is joined to a battery of 12 volt. Find the value of resistance to be connected in series with the lamp in order to get current of 0.5 ampere. Means एक lamp है जिसका resistance given है. You can also see in the circuit diagram. एक lamp है जिसका resistance given है 20 ohm is joined with a battery of 12 volt. Then find the value of the resistance to be connected in series. इसकी वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है विद द लैम्प इन ऑर्डर टू गेट द करंट ऑफ, ताकि हमें करंट कितना मिल सके 0.5 एम्पियर का. सो फर्स्ट राइट डाउन ऑल द वैल्यूज विच आर गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन. दैट इज V इज इक्वल्स टू 12 वोल्ट, I इज इक्वल्स टू 0.5 एम्पियर, एंड द रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ लैम्प हमने क्या माना है R1. तो R1 इज इक्वल्स टू 20 ओम. It is given in the question, and you have to find out the resistance to be connected, that is R2. इसको हमें find out करना है. So as per the formula R is equals to VI हमने put up करा, and after substituting the values we will get V upon I, that is 12 by 0.5 is equals to 24 ohm. We get the total resistance. लेकिन यहाँ पे पूछा क्या है, ये हमें टोटल रेजिस्टेंस मिल गया और बोथ आर कनेक्टेड इन सीरीज. एज यू कैन सी इन दिस सर्किट डायग्राम, लैम्प एंड दिस रेजिस्टेंस आर कनेक्टेड इन सीरीज टू वन अनदर, एंड टू एंड कनेक्शन से. ठीक है, तो इक्वलेंट फॉर द इक्वलेंट रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ द सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन द फॉर्मूला इज R इज इक्वल्स टू R1 प्लस R2. Now we will substitute the value for R here, R1 here, and R2 you have to find out. So after solving this we will get the answer R2 is equals to 4 ohm. Now I am moving to the next question, that is three resistances of 5 ohm, 10 ohm and 30 ohm are connected in parallel. See, this is this is the parallel circuit diagram. So here three resistances 5, 10 and 30 ohm are connected in parallel with a battery of 12 volt. Find out the current passing through each resistance. हर एक resistance में कितना current जाएगा. It means you have to find out the I1, I2 and I3 and the total current. तो जो हम इन सबको find out कर लेंगे तो उसका total and the equivalent resistance of the circuit. तो three things we have to find out in this. So first we will write all the values here. That is R1 is equals to 5 ohm, R2 is equals to 10 ohm, R3 is equals to 30 ohm. Voltage is given, potential difference that is 12 volt is given. Then first what you have to find out, the current. So according to the Ohm's law, I1 is equals to V upon R1. So I1 will be, put the value for V हमेशा common रहता है, मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था for the parallel combinations. So V upon R1, तो V की value 12 है and R1 value is 5. You will get 2.4 ampere. Like this, I2 we will get 1.2 ampere and for I3 we will get 0.4 ampere. These are the current passing through each resistance. तो हर एक resistance में I1, I2 and I3 current हमें मिल गया है. Now you have to find out the total resistance. So total resistance कैसे निकालेंगे? That is I is equals to I1 plus I2 plus I3. तो जो भी हमें आंसर मिला था for I1, I2, I3 तीनों को हमने प्लस करा and the answer will be 4 ampere we get. Again we have to find out the equivalent resistance find out करना था. तो equivalent resistance के लिए for parallel combination क्या था? 1 upon R is equals to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. Now we substitute all the values in this. तो and after taking the LCM, इसको LCM लेके solve करना है. Then you will get the answer 1 by 3 and 1 by 3 is the value for 1 by R. और हमें R की वैल्यू चाहिए, तो R की वैल्यू कितनी हो जाएगी? सिर्फ 3. सो आंसर विल बी 3 ओम. तो हमें तीनों आंसर्स मिल गए हैं. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. In the following figure, if 5 resistors, ध्यान से समझना, if the 5 resistors have been connected and shown, and see this figure also, find the equivalent resistance and the net current of the circuit. So what are the values are given? R1 is equals to 10 ohm, R2 is equals to 40, R3 is equals to 30, R4 20, R5 60 ohm, and voltage of the battery V is equals to 12 volt. है ना. अगर आप इस सर्किट डायग्राम को देखें तो R1 एंड R2 आर कनेक्टेड इन पैरेलल, लाइक दिस R3, R4 एंड R5 ये तीनों आपस में पैरेलल में हैं. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू द सर्किट डायग्राम, फर्स्ट वी विल फाइंड आउट द वैल्यूज. सो राइट डाउन द वैल्यूज विच आर गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन, विच आर गिवन अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन. V is equals to 12 volt, and if the equivalent resistance of R1 R2 निकालेंगे हम, R1 and R2 उसको हमने R dash माना है. Then both are in parallel, the equivalent resistance for the parallel combination is 1 upon R dash is equals to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. Now substitute the values, and after taking LCM and after solving this we will get the answer 0.125. ठीक है. Now again we will get the value for 1 by R. ठीक है. इसको फिर हम solve करेंगे, then we will get the 8 ohm. Now next, if R double dash is the equivalent resistance for R3, R4 और R5 के लिए है, R3, R4 R5 के लिए. ठीक है. अब after solving this we will again put the formula for equivalent resistance of the parallel combination, that is 1 upon R3 plus 1 upon R4 plus 1 upon R5. Now we will substitute the values in this. So 1 upon 30 plus 1 upon 20 plus 1 upon 60, and after solving this we will get the answer 10 ohm. अब R dash हमें कितना मिला था? R dash था that is 8 ohm, and R double dash कितना था? 18 ohm. Now after substituting the values we will get the total equivalent resistance, that is 18 ohm. 18 ohm है ना, and the current is I is equals to VR. Now we can find out the total current, that is V की वैल्यू गिवन थी according to the question is 12, R हमने find out करा 18, then the answer will be 0.67 ampere is the total current. Okay. Now I am moving to the next one. If an electric lamp draws 500 milliampere with voltage of 2.5 volt, calculate the power and the energy consumed in 1 minute. So here what are the values are given? Voltage, that is V is equals to 2.5 volt, current is 500 milliampere, इसको हमने एम्पियर में कन्वर्ट करा. ठीक है. The answer will be 0.5 ampere. Time is 1 minute, change into SI unit, that is 60 seconds. And you have to find out the power. तो power का formula P is equals to V into I. Substitute the value of V and I, you will get the 1.25 watt. And the energy consumed in 1 minute, in 1 minute में कितनी energy consumed हुई? तो formula is P into T. Substitute the value of power जो अभी हमने find out करी थी, multiply T, that is 60 seconds instead of 1 minute. Then we will get 75 joule. Now the next question, a 100-watt lamp glows for 2 hours per day. Calculate the energy consumed in 30 days. So 100-watt lamp. So it means power is given, time is given, and days are given. So how can you will calculate this? Like here power of lamp P कितना given है? That is of 100 watt. 100 watt given है. इसको हमने किलोवाट में चेंज करना है, मीन्स कमर्शियल यूनिट में आंसर आएगा. ओके. तो 100 वॉट इसको चेंज करा किलोवाट के अंदर, एंड विल गेट द आंसर 0.1 किलोवाट. टाइम इज गिवन, दैट इज 2 hours. 2 hours फॉर हाउ मेनी डेज? 30 डेज. तो 2 into 30 हो गया. 2 hours into 30 days. 2 hours in each day. हर रोज पर डे जो है 2 hours होता है, तो इज इक्वल्स टू 60 आवर्स पूरे 30 डेज के लिए हो गया. ठीक है. तो एनर्जी कंज्यूम्ड इन 30 डेज, कितनी एनर्जी कंज्यूम करी? एज पर द फॉर्मूला P इंटू टी, दैट इज पावर इंटू टाइम. तो पावर इज 0.1 एंड द टाइम इज 60. मल्टीप्लाई करा तो 6 किलोवाट आवर, 6 किलोवाट आवर की एनर्जी कंज्यूम्ड हुई है इन टोटल 30 डेज. So thank you students for watching the video, and for complete chapter you can see the link in the description box, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.